If you're facing a billing hold on your Google account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you understand the process to remove the hold effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Log into your Google account and navigate to the Payment Methods section. Ensure that your payment information is up to date and that there are no issues with your credit or debit card. Step 2. Review billing history. Go to the billing section of your Google account and review your billing history. Look for any recent transactions that may have failed or any notifications regarding billing holds. Step 3. Resolve any payment issues. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact Google Support. If the hold persists after updating your payment information, contact Google Support for assistance. They can provide specific details about the hold and guide you on how to resolve it. Step 5. Monitor your account. After following the above steps, keep an eye on your account for any further notifications. Ensure that your payment methods remain valid to prevent future billing holds. By following these steps, you should be able to remove any billing holds on your Google account quickly. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Google Support for more help.